2010 Infinity EX35 starter replacement. Because people say that you have to lower the front chassis with these ones. Well, that's what I read from some people. I couldn't find a YouTube video about this. Found one about the FX version. You can take it out easily by the side. Here, found another ones about the G35, G37s. Apparently, you can also take them out by the side of the chassis here, but this one won't let you do that. So this is what I did. As I mentioned, I heard or read that people will drop the front chassis a little. Bro, that's some work. This is the AC compressor. Transmission lines. I removed the what was holding it here. I removed the cable base that was here holding the cables. That I just moved around these cables. And I just took it all the way down through here. Here it is. Almost in the same way it goes into the transmission, almost that same way it came out. You don't have to, like, turn it over or just the same way. You just take this piece off. This is where the positive of the positive cable goes, and it's like an extension. So you take this one off. It's capped. You take the cap off. You remove the nut. You remove this piece, and it just comes out like this. Now I'm going to install the new one.